In this module, we will look at the relations and duties solicitors have with and to third parties. This is quite a routine area because solicitors deal with third parties every day. A solicitor must not act towards anyone in a way which is fraudulent, deceitful, or otherwise contrary to his position as a solicitor, nor may he use his position as a solicitor to take unfair advantage either for himself or for others. Part 1.2. Not taking advantage unfairly includes not using your professional status or qualification to take unfair advantage of another person in order to advance your personal interests. This includes not taking unfair advantage of an opposing party's lack of legal knowledge where they have not instructed a lawyer. When writing a letter of claim, previously referred to as a letter before action, a solicitor should not demand anything except what his client is entitled to by law. For example, where the solicitor is retained to collect a simple debt, he must not demand from a debtor the cost of a letter before action, since it cannot be said at that stage prior to the issue of proceedings that such costs are legally recoverable.